Hi there, it's Albert Luck again from luckymaths.co.uk, working through proportion 5 today, based around currency conversions, exchange rates, whatever you want to call it. Again, real life maths in action, using our good old friend the ratio table again to solve all of these problems. So the first example, £1 equals 115 rupees. We're going to convert £12 into rupees, and then we're going to go the other way and convert 2,760 rupees into pounds. So £1 is worth 115 rupees. So typical kind of process here where I'm doubling. £2 would be worth 230. So £4 is going to be worth 460, and £8 is worth 920. If you watch my multiplying videos, you'll have seen me do this several times. Let's say this is what the work's based around. Anyway, we're not going to double the £8 because we won't get 12. We'd get 16. But instead, if we add the £8 and the £4 together, so again, let's just cross out things we don't need. 920 plus 460, £12 should be 1,380 rupees. Right, now we're going to convert 2,760 rupees into pounds, but we're going to use the same technique. So £1 is 115 rupees, £2 is that, £4 is that, and £8 is that. This is just me copying the information above. Right. £10 will be the £1 value times 10. 1,150. £20 will be 2,300 rupees. And £40 would be 4,600. Now, we've only got 2,760. So that is obviously way too big. But 2,300 rupees is not far off. In fact, if we add 460 to that, we get 2,760. So I'm kind of working backwards here with the ratio table like I would do in the division context. But basically, the answer is going to be £24. Because again, if you add the two components at the bottom there, it's 2,760. So if we know £20 and £4 means together £24 equals 2,760 rupees. Final example, I'm going to use dollars. £1 is $1.35. So if I want to work out £15 worth, one example would be to again double the 135, which is 270, double that, which is 540, and double that, which is 1080. And then if we times the £1 by 10, or in this case 135 times 10, we get 1350. Now to get the £5, I could just half the 10 here, or alternatively I could have added the £4 and the £1 together. So there's different ways to do this. So if you think, well, actually no, I'd rather just add 4 plus 1 and give me £5 that way. 540 and 135 is 675, but 675 is also half of 1350. So it's different ways to look at it, but ultimately to get £15 I'd be looking to add both of those values together here now. So again, I'm not going to cross off the rest because I don't actually need those anymore. So I'd want to add together 1350 and £6.75, which works out, I believe, at $20.25. So again, just to clarify, it's all about using that ratio table to double, times by 10, maybe half, and again put the components together. another good use of the ratio table. Thanks for watching.